All right, guys, so we are back with another video, man, and today is a great day, but it's also a sad day. It's a great day because today is my son's 11th birthday, but it's also a sad day because we're going to be retiring the iPhone 12, man. We're going to be finally retiring this device, man. It's been great. It's been holding me down for a long time. A lot of top-down shots and stuff has been shot with this device, and this device is a really good device, but it is time to finally move on, and we're going to be moving on to the iPhone 15. This is the 15 right here. We got the standard 15. This is a 256, and we got it in black. So I went to the store, and they didn't have any other colors, but in reality, I never really kind of care about what color I get when it comes down to just the standard iPhone. I always stay with the standards. I've never had a pro device. I always stay with the standards. Now, unless you want to count the iPhone 10 as a pro device, but that one was, given to me or whatever the case. But as far as what I buy, I always just stick with the standard iPhones. But they didn't have any colors besides black. And I saw the blue one, which actually, like in real life, it looks white. I don't care what nobody say, it looks white. And they didn't have any other colors, so he said they had black. I said, well, just give me black. Anything except for pink. So if they would have had a yellow one, I would have took a yellow. Any color except pink. So he said all they had was black left. So I grabbed me a 256 gig in black. My iPhone 12 was black. So, hey, it is what it is, man. So today, this is going to be a really quick unboxing. I just wanted to get face-to-face with you guys before I go into the unboxing. So what I'm going to do is unbox this bad boy. That's all we're going to do today is unbox it and just kind of go around it, look at the hardware and whatever. And then off camera, I'm going to set this thing up and I'm going to go to using it because I didn't really, I knew it was eSIM, but I kind of forgot in the moment. So now my phone don't work, so I really need to open this up and turn this on so I can start receiving calls because I got kids. You know what I'm saying? Because I got kids, I cannot have nothing going on as far as a phone. Even though my watch is good, no, I got to have my phone because I got kids. So I got to hurry up and unbox this thing and get this thing started up so I can, start using my device. But today, quick unboxing just so we can look at it. And then once I get it set up and then I go through it for a day or two, we'll come back, have another sit down, and then we'll talk a little bit more about it. And we'll go from there. All right, so just stay tuned. Let's just go ahead and get into the unboxing. So the box is pretty similar to some of the previous year's boxes, so it's really nothing to get overly excited about in that aspect. But once you remove both of the tabs, you'll unveil your iPhone, and here it is in all its glory, the black color iPhone 15. Not the Pro, just the standard 15. And man, first glance, I love this color already. I'm so glad that they only had black in the store. I'm so glad that I got this color, man. But putting it to the side, you're going to have some of the same things that you would have in all the previous year's versions from, the troll stickers or whatever you want to call them to your charging cable. But this time the charging cable is braided and it is a USB-C cable. So that's going to be a plus there. We finally got USB-C. So now we don't have to worry about that lightning cable anymore. And I'm overly excited about that. But looking at this phone, man, obviously all the iPhones to me always kind of seem to look the same with subtle changes, man, but this color here looks great. I like the camera bump. I'm coming from a 12, so for me this is going to be a significant upgrade, but this color just looks amazing. And it already feels real good in the hands because obviously by the time you're watching this video, I've probably been using this device for a few hours at this point. But again, you got all your buttons and everything all in the same places from like last year, but this phone doesn't have it still has the mute toggle switch. It doesn't have the new action button. That only comes on the Pro models. So the Pro and Pro Max has that. But anyway, this device looks amazing. And you guys know that I'm a huge fan of just the standard iPhone. I love the iPhone, the Pro versions and all that, man. But I'm just a huge fan of the standard version. But right here, I wanted to put it side by side with my iPhone 12 real quick. And so you guys can just see a quick little color comparison. All right, so hopefully you guys have enjoyed this quick little unboxing, man. It's been your man Jay, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.